Here's a cool design if you want to test the bridging capabilities of your machine. This is called Tensgrity Hexagons, and this is exactly how it prints. I did a color change halfway there, 0.2 layer height. I think that was at layer 143 when I did the color change. And this is very, very cool. It's called Tensgrity Hexagons. And if I just stand it up, you can see it is absolutely beautiful. So I just wanted to test the stock fan, parts cooling fan abilities when it comes to bridging and everything. And I can say that I'm very happy with FOKOOS Odin 5. 100% stock. The stock parts cooling fan and stock everything. And as you can see, if I zoom in, sorry about my lighting, this is all just in the air. This is how it was printed. I got rid of the skirt, and the bridging is just wonderful. It's absolutely fantastic. This is stock. I know some people were having issues with their stock parts cooling fan. I don't know why, but mine works great. Once again, this is Tensgrity Hexagons. This model is available on Thingiverse. Very good job, Odin 5 F3. I don't see any reason to upgrade my parts cooling fan or fans. Cheers.